Hello, I'm Jay Teacher. Today's keyword is about feelings. Have you heard about 짜증? 짜증나다 is to be annoyed. That is a Korean expression represents a feeling of discomfort or irritation, often caused by unexpected inconvenience, dissatisfaction, or anger due to certain situation or someone's action. So I show you three sentences with 짜증. So let's get started. Number one. 아, 짜증나. 아, 짜증나. Number two. 짜증나서 스트레스 받았어. 짜증나서 스트레스 받았어. Number three. 짜증내지 마. 짜증내지 마. Sometimes it is very important to release your feelings. So 짜증나 is one of the way to do this. I recommend you to use this word when you with your friends, not with your boss, not in like official situation. Thank you for watching. Let's see you with another keyword expression.